Hi friends, today I am going to make mixed cauliflower with different kinds of vegetables sabzi, which is very healthy and tasty. Watch this video till end. So one small size and medium size potato I had taken, chopped into small pieces, 4 to 5 garlic, cauliflower. It should not be chopped into very small pieces. Carrot, cut half and cut into small pieces, and 2 small tomatoes and 1 large onion I had taken. So this is how I have set up the vegetables which I am going to include. 4 to 5 green chilies and 1 tablespoon cumin seeds. These were the spices which I am going to include. 1.5 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, 1/2 tablespoon green chili powder, and 1/2 tablespoon salt. 3 to 4 brinjals I had taken, medium size. Add 1 cup of oil and cumin seeds. Once it is roasted a bit, we will come to next one. In this step you can also add fenugreek leaves, but I have not added. Okay, curry leaves, dry, you can add, or fresh, and mix it well. It's time to add garlic to get the flavor at this moment. You can't add veggies because you need to get the flavor with onions and all. After garlic, I had added onions. Once it is golden brown, we can add tomatoes. When it loses the moisture, mix well. You can also include capsicum, anything you want. It's less in veggies, everything suits. Turn to add all the spices. You can add according to your taste. You can increase. If your quantity is more, you can double up the ingredients. At each veggies you add, you have to mix each layer of that. If you are adding cauliflower, mix first, then you can mix the brinjals. When you cut the brinjals, make sure that you are keeping after cutting in the water so that the color don't change from outside. So everything I had added, brinjal, carrots. You can cook in olive oil or mustard oil, any health-wise oil you want. Together, potatoes are also inside. Add 1 cup of water so that the vegetables are little soft when it's getting cooked and it don't stick at the bottom. Now it's time to cover the lid. After 10 minutes I had opened it, and you can see some of them are already cooked. Half, not completely. So again we will close it And in the next step, when I checked, it's almost ready. So 10 to 15 minutes you can cook on low flame and medium. Now without the lid, we will let it get cooked and sprinkle some coriander leaves when it's about to get ready. You can also add kasuri methi to get the smell. So mix it well and you can see how tasty the veggies look and attractive too. Now it's ready to serve. So you can have it with chapati and sprinkle some lemon juice at the top, squeeze it and eat. With rice also you can prefer. And if you want to make a cauliflower sabji biryani, then this is the masala or gravy which we have made of the vegetables, and you can mix with rice and eat it. Or you can make a layer. That kind of setup you can do in the utensils and serve it. So there is two ways which we can eat. So I hope you like this recipe and do comment me down that how it was. And for more recipes, I have also shared the link in the description. You can check out. There are many varieties of them. And if you want more recipes, then please subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification.